How to view previous Facebook search. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to view previous Facebook search. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook right here. And then from in there, just click on these three lines up here and it will redirect you to the menu. So from in there, just scroll down, click on settings and privacy right here in the bottom. Click on settings right here. And then from in there it will open the settings and privacy of your phone. Now what you need to do is to just click on the search bar right here and search for activity log. So let's search for activity log right here, and then you can see here the results. So click this activity log, and then it will show you the activity log of your Facebook. So what you need to do is to just scroll down until you reach this log information, and then scroll until you can see the search. So if you expand on it, you can see your search history, save searches, we just search for, and voice search, and click on this manage search right here, and then from in there you can see the previous search history that you have made. So you can just click on the three dots right here in order to click on this right here in order to delete it. So you can do that and click on delete, and you can also see in here the trash, which in here and represents the searches that you have deleted. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to view previous Facebook search. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.